AIMS Patna presents the steps of donning and doffing of PPE for healthcare workers working in COVID areas. Donning is the process of wearing personal protective equipment, that is PPE. It should always be done in designated areas. Before wearing PPE, the healthcare worker must have a light meal, hydrate him or her by drinking enough amount of water, have already used a washroom. The person should change his own dress into the hospital scrubs. Footwear used should be a closed one. The hands should be thoroughly washed with soap and water before entering into the donning area. First of all, we have to sanitize our both hands. Wear a surgical cap over your head. Then wear the first gloves, which is the inner layer. Open the pack of personal protective equipment, that is PPE, and check it for any tear or damage. Sit on a chair comfortably and start wearing the PPE. Put your legs first. Then both the hands, one by one. Start zipping the PPE. Remove the paper on the flap and close the flap completely. Then wear the leg covers. After wearing the leg covers, again sanitize your hands. Now we have to put on N95 mask. Keep the cup of the mask over your nose and mouth. Straps should be tightened and mask should fit snugly over the face. Then put the hood over your head so as to cover the forehead and both ears. Check your goggles and put them over the hood. Finally, put on the second pair of outer gloves. The outer gloves will go over the sleeve of the PPE. Now we are ready to enter inside the COVID area. Doffing is the process of removal of PPE after coming out from the COVID areas. We have to follow certain strict precautions during doffing. It is always performed in designated areas. It is done in a slow manner to avoid the generation of aerosols. Get your PPE checked for any tear or damage. After coming out of COVID areas, first ask the assistant to inspect PPE for any tear or soiling. Then sanitize your hands properly. Sit on a dirty chair and remove the leg covers first. Again, sanitize your hands. Remove the outer pair of gloves. After removal of outer gloves, hands should be sanitized again. Remove the goggles. Open the flap and start unzipping the PPE. Remove the PPE and throw it in the red color bin. Sanitize your hands again. Then remove the N95 mask, taking care not to touch the outer surface. Again sanitize your hands. Remove the head cap and re-sanitize your hands. Finally, remove the inner layer of gloves. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. If facility for taking a bath is present, please do the same.